What's up, guys? I'm here in Leander with Nick. We're out here working this recent storm. Nick's got a full day of scheduling. I got to tag along with Nick today.
Yes.
We just finished with one appointment, and then we're going to take you on our day, showing you exactly what we do in the life of a roofer with Nick.
Let's not fall today.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. All right, Nick, what are we doing here?
I'm trying to find a good spot to get up on the roof.
Doing an inspection or what?
Yeah, and then for an inspection. So this homeowner was on her morning walk, and so we're here to do business. So she brought her business suit out to get things done.
You got your partner with you?
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's go ahead and get set up. What you doing there, Nick?
Getting chalk so I can get damage documented.
They're like playground chalk?
No, this is railroad chalk. But playground chalk. Professional.
Look like you're about to beat someone up with those gloves.
Only this insurance adjuster if he doesn't buy this roof. Go ahead. See what we got. There we go. Yes, sir. What is it? Right here, right there.
Yeah.
This one here.
So I should have known working with Nick, I was gonna need these bad boys.
Are you stuck?
You know how fat people get off the roof?
They roll.
They roll. So when people say, Nick, did you fall off the roof? No, I rolled off the roof. I'm gonna eat.
Come this way.
Hashmark ITS $sign.
Don't take me with you. There, you're safe.
For now. Look at this, right here. She's gonna get a new roof on her birdhouse. 3 strikes. Damn.
All right, guys. So Nick's gonna continue to walk the property and do a full inspection overview of everything. As he mentioned, not just the roof, but we want to check gutters. He's checking the window screens right now and the vinyl beading. We're gonna check the fence, the downspouts. If there's anything exposed, barbecue grill, anything that could be potentially damaged, whether it's the roof or the contents of the property, we want to make sure to notate it. That way he can already start working on building his case when we go to the adjustment meeting to represent this homeowner right here. You gonna grill us up some burgers for lunch?
Maybe Miss Homeowner will. Yeah, I That's good enough.
What you doing there, Nick?
Looking for metal damage in the valley.
Looks like you marked up the roof like the driveway.
Yeah, I just got carried away. Okay, so we all know why there's extensive granule loss, right? Because of hail, right? So the hail comes and it hits the shingles and granules fall off.
Yeah.
Look at that gutter.
Yep.
Now granted, that's not all from one storm, but this roof is only 4 years old. In 4 years, I don't know.
Well, while Nick's finishing up that, I'm gonna get started with getting our aerial shots with our good friend, Mr. DJ.
Nick here at Texas Family Roofing. Just wanted to give you a call to let you know I hadn't forgot about you. I'm going to be heading your way here within the next few hours. I'm in Leander right now, and we're here for Santiago. Santiago here. Yes, sir. Good. Good. Awesome.
Table for two?
Yeah, two.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
You all have Wi-Fi?
You know what?
All right. Eric's doing his thing, so I'm gonna do mine. Looks like I got a basket of chips. I don't know where his is, but Santiago hooked it up. And oh, these chips are good. All right, gotta go.
Well, how was lunch, Nick?
Oh, it was great. Santiago hooked it up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we're heading off to the last inspection of the day.
Ooh, she's either hungry or tired.
We're heading off to the last inspection of the day,
Yeah.
and then we're out of here.
Later, Gator. I don't know why it took me so long to think of it, but now I'm extending the legs on it so it's not
Ladder logistics.
lateralistic.
I think you've had too long of a day.
I think I had too much to eat. They're still young.
And now you have to go walk this roof.
Put those tacos from Santiago is great. Hashtag, dang, I forgot. I look stupid now.
Fajitas?
No, I was gonna say, not sponsored or something. Not sponsored by Santiago's in Round Rock, Texas.
All right, guys. So this roof was actually replaced not that long ago. Nick, when did this roof get replaced? About 3 months ago, we replaced this roof based on a previous hailstorm, and now we're looking here today doing a re-inspection because of the last hailstorm that just hit recently on last week. So we're gonna hop up there with Nick. We're gonna see what's going on and whether or not this roof has been compromised once again by the hail. How we doing, Nick?
Sounds like you had a big lunch too. How we doing, or how's the roof doing?
How's the roof doing?
So the roof is, as far as the material, so far it's looking all right.
Yeah,
We saw worse today.
we definitely saw worse. Well, while Nick's checking that out, I want to walk over here and see the other half of the roof and see how we're looking. But it looks like this one might have survived the hailstorm. Everything looks pretty intact up here. Being that this is a newer roof, a new shingle, it's a little more resistant just because it's fresh. Materials are young. But we'll go ahead and let him finish this inspection, see what his conclusion is, and we'll go from there.
Good. I think you have the wrong number. This is Texas Family Roofing. No worries. Thank you. Bye.
You're such a nice guy, Nick.
Yeah, they trying to sell me insurance.
Such a nice guy.
Yeah.
All right, so you gonna go let your homeowner know?
See. Tell her what I see.
All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for joining us on an adventure in the life of Nick. He got to talk to a lot of customers, got to help some people, got a couple new roofs going on, helping out this homeowner, making sure peace of mind, and looks like you had a good day.
Busy day.
Yeah.
Normal day.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, if you like this video or gain anything out of it and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and smash that like button, click on that subscribe button, and you'll see more of Nick and the guys on their daily adventures. We'll see you soon. Thanks, Nick. Good
Bye,
day.
guys. Thank you.
All right, Nick.
Alrighty.
Is this what you do at the end of the day?
Yeah. Oh.
The sizzle.
Not sponsored yet.